Panda Express's orange chicken is one of my favorite meals. A lot of people told me there's no way to make it at home just like Panda Express. Well, I took on that challenge and here's my Panda Express orange chicken recipe. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button and let's go.
Delicious.
On a cutting board, cut some chicken thighs into 1 by 1 inch cubes and set aside for now. In a medium bowl, add 3 cups of flour and 1 cup of cornstarch, a tablespoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of salt. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil and a cup and a quarter of water. Then 1 egg to the mix. You want to mix all these ingredients together very well until you get this pancake batter like consistency. Here you want to start whisking it to get all the lumps out from the flour. Now let's add all the cubed chicken to the mixer. Once the chicken's covered, make sure to cover it up and refrigerate for half an hour. Now let's deep fry the chicken. Remember to fry in batches and make sure the chicken cooks all the way through. Once the chicken's cooked, please remove and set aside. Now let's create the sauce. Add a tablespoon of oil. Add a quarter of a teaspoon of chili flakes. A quarter teaspoon of fresh ginger. Followed by 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Add a quarter cup of brown sugar and a quarter cup of sugar. Quarter cup of orange juice. And then a quarter cup of white distilled vinegar. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. Finally, mix in 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Start adding the chicken to the sauce and cover the chicken completely. That's it for the famous Panda Express Orange Chicken recipe at home. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you on the next one.
Delicious.